Hello everyone, welcome to Excel 10 tutorial. In this advanced Excel tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can automatically copy rows to another worksheet based on cell value. Okay, I have covered this tutorial several times, but in this time, I'm going to make it fully automatic. In the previous video, there were two problems. The first one was whenever I copy the row, suppose I want to copy this row number 2 to sheet 2, and then I want to copy row 4. Whenever I copy row 4, it would copy the second row again and again, so that would create a duplicate value on the destination worksheet. And in this tutorial this problem has been solved because I just added the option to remove duplicate value. Okay, and the second part is that every time I want to copy row based on cell value, I will have to either run the macro manually from developer tab and macros and then macro name, or I will have to create a button that I need to click on. Okay, but this time I want to make it fully automatic. That means I have created drop down list here, and whenever I select the option done, I want that row to copy to the next worksheet, which is sheet 2, and automatically paste it here. Okay, so this is what I'm going to do in this tutorial. Let's get started. So I'm going to use Visual Basic for application for this tutorial, and I'm going to right click on the source worksheet name here. Right click here, click on view code, and now paste the code. Okay, I have already written the code. If you need the code, please sign up the form and the link will be in the description. Okay, so our code is ready. Simply close the VBE, and now if I change the drop down to ongoing, it doesn't do anything. And if I change the value to done, and you can see in sheet 2 our row has been copied. Okay, now if I change the project status here to pending or to ongoing, it doesn't do anything. If I change any project status to done, the code runs in the background, and in the sheet 2 I have that row copied here. Now if I go back to the code, you can see here sheet 1. This is the source worksheet from where you are going to copy the row. Okay, you need to change the worksheet name based on your workbook. Okay, so change sheet 1 and here sheet 1, and all the places that has sheet 1, change it to your source worksheet name. Okay, in sheet 2, that means the destination worksheet where you want to paste your rows. Okay, change it according to your need, and this is the column number where we have the specific text based on which I'm going to copy the rows. Okay, change it according to your need. And there is another place where you need to change the column name, which is here at the top. This is the column name also. Change it here and here. Okay, after you have changed it, this is the specific text based on which you are copying the data. Okay, change it according to your need. This is the part it will remove the duplicates from sheet 2. Okay, that means sheet 2 is your destination worksheet name. Change it and it will remove all the duplicate values from your destination worksheet. And here we have column 1. That means this code will remove duplicate depending on the text in column 1. That means column A. Okay, you have any unique values in different column, just write the index number. That means column A equal to 1. If you need to write column B, just write here 2. Okay, so this was our code, and if I close it and let's test it again, drop down list and click on done, and this line has been copied here. Okay, now I have created drop down list here, and I have already created a video on how you can create drop down list in Microsoft Excel. You can check out that video here. This is what I wanted to show you. Thank you, thanks for watching. See you in the next tutorial. And if you can, support the channel through patreon.com/excel10tutorial, and don't forget to visit our website msexceltutorial.com. Thank you, thanks for watching. See you in the next tutorial.